Yo, 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 yo. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Power Plays Palace, man. It's your boy, man. Jay Boogie. We back for another day, another day. So let's get straight to the charts. All right. So on Friday, we was looking for a breakout long highs above 687, but I think that's an error. Got to fix that. It's not my fault. Because the day before, Thursday, we had a wide day. So pre-market told us 682, 682.50, stop below 681.20, and our target 684, 686, 689. And on the put side, they're looking for resistance and entry around 681.60, 682, with a stop above 683, target 680, 679, and 678. And that's what we were looking for Friday. So let's see what we got. Friday came in, opened up around 681, dropped down to 679 actually, but it ran all the way up to 686. Right, got a little pullback to 684, went back, retested 686, and then boom, straight down here. Well, not straight, little pullback, but look at some people would call this. That'll probably no, that couldn't be a shoulder. But you got the M pattern. But went straight back down, and it went down to this bottom of this trend line to 680. So on Friday, what you could have done realistically, and let's look at the chart again. What you could have done is you could have played the first wave up. It retreated to 679 before it pulled up, but it went all the way up. It touched those levels. So you could have played that, and then you also could have played it back down. After it got up there to 686, and you could have just waited till it came into the zone and played it back down and caught the 680. Or you could have caught it at the top up here when you started seeing all those red candles. So it was a very interesting day Friday. And so that's what we got now today. Pre-market, as you can see, is already pulling back. It's starting to reestablish the pre-market low right here. Look at it. I'm going to have to move this down because it's still early, y'all. It's like 8 o'clock right now. So it's still early. And as you can see, currently, spot is still going down. It's actually threatening to touch the pre-market low. I meant the low of the day from Friday already this morning. So it's going to really do a number on my chart currently because I will have to recalibrate. I'm already into this video, so we'll adjust it right there and we'll see. So that's for Friday, and as you can see, spot came in, opened up, came up here, and then it went down. Came all the way up, 686. Tried it again, then came back down to 680. This morning, it went up. It opened, actually, and a little small gap right there. And so it went down, came back up, filled that gap. Now it comes back down. And you can see it's currently moving down. Now, this current pre-market low is not what's on my chart because when I made my chart a little while ago, SPY wasn't here, but it just recently started going back down over the last 15 minutes, so you can see that. But let's get to the chart for today. Not prolong the time too much. Get ready for trading. If SPY, so for today, wow, it's already pushing down. So based on my chart that I just made before it started going back down again, if SPY breaks and holds above that 680.95, we're watching to reclaim the long areas. And what we'll be doing is setting our stop below 680.10, target 682.50, 684.20, and 686.20. And that's if you get some reclaiming that area, the pre-market high. But if SPY pushes into the 680.40 and 680.95 and stalls and watch for rejection short. And we'll put our stop above 681.60 to target 679.50, 678.90, and 678.20. And I'm gonna tell y'all that already happened. Let me go back to the chart. So that already happened. So it already pushed down into the 677.51 area. It broke below that and it just went. So let me give y'all some numbers that are not on the chart, but those are the numbers we had posted. So as you can see, it already went up, retested, and challenged that and came back. So let me give y'all some other numbers. So if SPY currently where it is, and it kind of rejected out of that area and it pulled back. Okay. And so what we're gonna be looking at from there, if it loses support at the 678.80 and it does not reclaim that area, that means the sellers are firmly in control. What we'll do is we'll set a stop loss around 679.40, and then we'll set our targets at the 677.51, which is the low of the day from Friday, then 676.20, and then 674.80. And they're not on the chart currently because the SPY just went down while we were actually doing this and getting ready to come on and put this together. So, but on the put side, if SPY loses the 678.80, if it can't get back to that level and reclaim it, then we'll put our stop right above 679.40 and we'll target 677.50, 676.20, 674.80. And then those are our next levels. And so what we'll do, we're gonna watch that. We're gonna be bullish on the SPY if it can get back above 680.95. And if it stays down here and stays below this 678.80 range, then we're going to play it for puts. And that means the sellers are in control. Sometimes a bull market, sometimes a bear market. But what you do is you stay disciplined to your levels, respect your chart, and play what you see. Don't let your bias carry you into doing something that you don't want to do with the chart. But you definitely want to stay calm, play your levels, stay disciplined, keep some stop losses, keep the stop losses tight, and then and when you get to a certain level, profit 20-30%, jump out, man. Just take your something and keep it moving. Now, this is not financial advice, but this is some advice from a trader who trade every day. So, here we are. I want you to enjoy yourself and you have a good day. Now, this is like, again, not financial advice. But if anything that I say in this video helps you with your trading, like, share, and subscribe. And then, spread the word. And if you want to trade with us every day, come to Power Plays, man. It's the group in Discord. And we will work with you and help you learn how to read the charts and things based on what we see and how we do it. And then you'll be able to grow as a trader with our group over at Power Plays. So that's your trading plan for today. Stay disciplined, respect your levels, and we'll be out until tomorrow, man. Let's do it.
All the code here is